Hello, Assalamu alaikum. Hope so. You are all doing well. After a lot of time, we are back with another video. So, in this video, we are going to talk about how you can redeem Lovable, that is a AI coder, uh, Lite Pro plan for free. Okay, so let me show you first. Okay, first of all, you need to join our WhatsApp channel. Okay, this is our WhatsApp channel. Just open this YouTube channel here and click on this link, and you'll find our WhatsApp channel join a link. Okay, just join this one, it's very important for you. Okay, as you can see, here is a knife. If you don't join, so I will go with this one. Okay. Okay, so let's start. Simple, as you can see, this is our simple plan. Okay, this is a free plan. Okay, here is 5 credits only, but if you use the Lovable Lite Pro plan, so you have 85 credits. So it's daily credits. Okay, so simply how you can redeem it. So let's get started. First of all, you need to open this site edu.imageilabs.com. Okay, so you'll find the link in the description. Okay, simply open this website. Okay, and now click on the I am an educator or I am an student. Okay, so I'm going with the an educator. Now click on the register. When you click on the register, so simply put your name here. Like me, my name is Sohail Sayed, so I'm going with the obvious team, my YouTube channel name. Okay, here you need a email. Okay, so let me show you. Okay, I'm going with this fresh email. Okay, you can use Outlook, you can use any email. I'm going with the Gmail as in front of you. Here you need to enter the password, so let me enter the password. Okay, here is the password, here's a country. So I'm from the Pakistan, so you can use your country. Make sure you use the similar country as your IP. Okay, so where is the Pakistan? ABC, all here is a Pakistan. Okay, so school name, so I'm going with my city, most famous school name, Multan Public School. Okay, ch double L. Okay, so how you hear about, you can select anyone. I am going with the social media. Click on the I have. You don't need to check this one. Okay, click on the register. Just wait for the verification email. Just open the email that you have used. Okay, just wait for the verification code. Yeah, I don't want to save this one. They have sent a Gmail. Okay, here you find a email in your Gmail box. Just copy this and paste it here. That's it, you have done. Now our next step is how you can redeem the lovable for free. Okay, so simply these are the most important steps you need to do. Simply click on the classrooms, create a classroom. Classroom name, I'm going with the Sohail Sayed official. Okay, so here is the student's name. Okay, so simply just understand this process. It's depend on you. Like I'm going with the Sayed Sohail Sayed 2, Amna, and uh, Jai and Hope, and like you can, if you go with the two students. Okay, two students name, so it will give you the two students logins. It's mean it will give you the, like, let me show you. If you go with the four students, so it will give you the four students logins, for students Gmails. Okay, so I have used the for, let me manage it. No, classrooms, open this, and I was here. You can see I have four students, so they give me four logins. Okay, if you have five students, so they will give you the five students traditionals. Okay, so you can go with that one. Okay, so let me show you from here. One, two, three, four, five. Okay, also I'm going with the six. It will be the Allison. Okay, now what you need to do, simply that's okay. Let me remove the 3 one. Okay, I'm going with the 3, not going with the 6. Okay, it's 3 students here, create classroom. That's it. When you click on the create classroom, so you have done. Now click on the open access, and now click on the print credentials. Okay, when you click on this one, so you'll find a PDF file that you have downloaded. Open this PDF file, and now you have find the 3 students logins here. So simply just simple click on this one. As you click on this link, Lovable. Okay, let me open the PDF again, and just copy the username and copy the password. First of all, you need to select the event or of the AI image I. Okay, so now here is asking for the username and password. So simply just copy the username from here and put the password here. Just copy the password from here and click on the login. That's it. You have created successfully 3 lovable accounts. You can create it unlimited. No worry about the accounts. You just add the student and you will find a lot of more uh, emails. Sorry, traditionals. Okay, so simply as in front of you we have the light plan activated. If you go with the another, so all we have the logins here. Okay, so hope so you like this video. For more videos, just subscribe our WhatsApp channel, okay, by clicking on this one, and subscribe our YouTube channel. Okay, so let's meet in next video. Take care. Bye bye.